Hello friends. Here's our next question. We have to find ASCII code. Write a program to find ASCII code of 0 and in 0E and 09 from 90 data. So first of all, in order to break 90 into 0E and 09, we have to perform unpacking operation. So we have already discussed unpacking operation of any number in our previous tutorial. So here we will just look out a little re, flashback of unpacking of 90 or unpacking of any number. So here is an example of unpacking of 90. So first of all, this is the hexadecimal conversion of 90. First of all, we have to perform AND operation with 0f. So 90 hexadecimal is this and 0f hexadecimal is this. We have to just perform simple AND operation. So after performing AND operation, we will get 0e, and then this is the one of the fragment of 90, so we have to store it in E register or whichever is your choice, but here we have used E register. Then we have to perform AND operation of 90 and F0. Then we have to again load 90 into accumulator and perform AND operation with F0. So here is 90 hexadecimal conversion and F0 hexadecimal conversion. If we perform AND operation, then we will get 90. Then we have to perform 4 consecutive RRC. RRC stands for rotate accumulator right by 1 bit. Then we get 90. Then we get 09. After performing RRC, 4 consecutive RRC on 90, we will get 09. So after unpacking 90, E register contains 08 and D register contains 09. So then we have to use the concept of CPI. CPI is just for simple comparison. If content of accumulator is less than register or memory data, then carry flag is set. If it is equal to register memory allocation, register data inside memory, then zero flag is set. If it is greater than it, then carry or zero flags are reset. Here we have to just follow a simple thing we have to keep in mind. Then if we are comparing the content in accumulator with 0a, if it is less than it, then we have to add 30 to the accumulator, otherwise we have to add 37. So here is our assembly code. So from here to this part, this is our unpacking of a simple number unpacking code which we have discussed earlier. So first of all, we move 90 to B, then we move content of B to accumulator, then we perform AND operation with 0f, then accumulator contains, after performing 90 and 0f AND operation, then accumulator contains 0e, then we have to store it in E register, then we again store content of B into accumulator and perform AND operation with F0, and after performing 4 consecutive RRC, then we get 09, then we have to store it in D. Here we have completed our unpacking operation. Then we have to move content of E into accumulator. So when we perform unpacking, E contains 0E. After storing 0E into accumulator, we are comparing 0E or the content of accumulator with 0A. So as you can see, we are comparing, so 0 it doesn't satisfy the condition, so 0 it doesn't satisfy the condition, therefore 0 is not equal not greater than equal to 0a. It is, sorry, 0 is not less than equal to 0a, because 0 is greater than 0a, and therefore we have to add 37 to it. So we have add 0e to 37, we get 45. 45 is the ASCII code of 0e. Then we have to do same thing with 09. We have to load 09 into accumulator. As you can see, we have load content of D register contains 09 into accumulator. Then we again have to use CPI condition. We have checked 09 is less than 0? Yes, it is less than 0, and therefore we have to just add 30. Therefore 09 add with addition of 30 it gets 39. 39 is the ASCII code of 09. So here we look at our code. First of all, we have load data of E to A, then we have used CPI 0A. If content of accumulator is less than 0A, then carry will be set, then it will move to 8016 memory location. Jump if carry to 8016, so 8016 here, then we have just add 30. If it is not, then we have to add 37 and 30, then totally we have added 37. So again we have moved accumulator to E. Sorry, we have moved the result which has come out from the addition of 30 or 37 to accumulator. So we have moved the result of ASCII code of 09 0E to E register, which is, as you can see, we have added 37 to 0E, and the result is 45, which is stored in E register. Then we have again moved content of D register into accumulator. D contains 09, so 09 is moved into accumulator. It is compared with 0A. As you can see, 0A is greater than 09, or 09 is less than 0, therefore it satisfies the condition, or we can say flag is set. So it will check CPI, then jump JC, jump if carry to 8021 memory location. As you can see, it is less than 0A, content of accumulator which is 09. 09 is less than 0A, so carry is generated. It will move to jump if carry to 8021 memory location. So it will move to this memory location, and only 30 number will be added to the content of accumulator, which is 09. So after addition of 09 and 30, it gives 39, and 39 is the result of ASCII code of 09. So we have moved the accumulator, we have moved the content of accumulator to D. So it is our result. It is, therefore we get ASCII code of 39. I hope you like this video.